guy, have you ever heard of Wat Phú Pháo in Ubon Ratchathani?
Yes, it's also called the Go in the Dark Temple, right?
Exactly. At night, the tree of life on the wall glows beautifully. I really want to see it.
How about we plan a trip there this weekend?
Great. Do we need to go in the evening to see the glowing wall?
Yes, but we should go early too. The sunset view from the temple is amazing.
Good idea. We can arrive in the afternoon, walk around, and then wait for the night view.
How should we get there?
We can rent a car. It takes about 1 to 2 hours from Ubon City.
Perfect. Let's also bring some water and snack. And don't forget to date politely because it's a temple.
I will bring my camera to take photos.
I'm so excited to see the going tree of life.
Then it's settled. Let's go to Wat Phú Pháo this weekend.